Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel, and this is the little roundup of a new week of video once again. So we are Monday, July 20th, 2020, and I always like to do a little Monday roundup of what I will try to do in the week. As you know, what I try to do and what I do is often very different, but we're going to try to do our best to do and create a lot of content on the channel this week. So first of all, I will post a video in a few minutes. I have received finally my Ethon Elite Executive. So I want to thank once again Scott Cranston for sending me this. It is much appreciated, and I will be posting a lot of videos with that new radio for sure, comparing it also with the XH Data, the Seed Crane. We'll be checking out what could be the best radio in all of that. We of course are going to do a lot of videos of different things, including maybe a little updates on the K180 WLA antenna that I think is worth making out, and I will give my positive and negatives and updates on all of this. We are going to of course have the live shows as usual on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific, 0 UT, Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 Pacific, 20 UT. If all goes well, I plan to do a Perry Island DXpedition this week. 2 days are possible, but the most probable would be on Thursday. So lots of videos will be coming out. I will try to find a way to bring an MLA-30 with me for the reception on Perry Island rather than a wire. We'll be testing that out. MLA-30 plus very quiet conditions could be very interesting to test out. I am going to actually also do probably a video, because I will be checking out how I can maybe use it in a different way than actually have to install it on the, a broomstick or something. Anyways, my videos are going to be there to show you ways that I use it. I will be posting, of course, videos of what I'm packing, what I'm bringing along on the expedition, and of course, that should have a lot of videos coming up. We have a wonderful Facebook group that is the same name as this channel, official SWL channel on Facebook. If you want to join, it's a great place to be. People are really nice, and really, it's a great space for sharing anything about your radio passion. It's really cool. People are helpful and friendly. One of the best groups, if not the best group, for shortwave on Facebook. I'll post a link to the Facebook group in the description below the video. Hope that you enjoy our videos. And it's always fun to have all of this going on and enjoying our radio passion together. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.